In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link bank to Zoho Books. By the end, your bank or credit card will be securely connected, so transactions flow into Zoho Books for faster categorizing and reconciliation. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with the right organization and have the necessary permissions. It also helps to have your bank login details and any multi-factor authentication device handy. Start from the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base where you can confirm you're in the correct company file and quickly access the rest of the app. If you manage multiple organizations, double-check the name at the top to avoid linking the wrong account. Head over to the banking section. This module is where all your financial institutions live in Zoho Books. You'll manage bank accounts, credit cards, and feeds here, and you'll see balances, uncategorized transactions, and reconciliation status once the connection is set up. Look for the option labeled Connect Bank or Credit Card and click it. Depending on your region, you might see slightly different wording, but the idea is the same. You're initiating a secure, read-only connection to pull transactions into Zoho Books. This doesn't let Zoho move money. It simply downloads statements and individual line items for you to review and categorize. Search for and select your bank from the list. You can type the bank's name to narrow it down. When prompted, authenticate using your usual online banking credentials and complete any verification steps your bank requires, such as one-time passcodes or app approvals. Take your time here. If you mistype a password or switch screens before approving a push notification, the connection can fail and you'll need to retry. After authentication, choose which specific accounts or cards you want to connect, checking, savings, or credit cards, and confirm the date range for importing historical transactions, if offered. A shorter range imports faster, while a longer range helps if you're catching up on bookkeeping. You may also be asked to map the feed to an account in your chart of accounts and set a display name so it's clear in your banking tab. Once you confirm, give the system a moment to complete the initial sync. You'll return to the banking page and see your newly connected account with a status indicator and, soon after, a list of imported transactions. If you see a delay, that's normal during the first pull. From here, you're ready to categorize transactions, create bank rules, and reconcile with your books. If anything looks off like duplicate lines or the wrong date range, you can adjust settings from the Connected Accounts options and refresh the feed. That's it. You've linked your bank to Zoho Books and set the stage for smoother, more accurate bookkeeping.